Behind India's extensive electric power usage stands a sturdy backbone of power generation and distribution systems. C&S Electric holds unparalleled ranks in manufacturing of electrical and electronic products. The C&S Power Busbar division has been instrumental in introducing its innovative product range for modern buildings and industry power transmission and distribution requirements. It has evolved as a global specialist for power busbars by continuously addressing the market needs for bus trunking and bus duct solutions over the past 40 years.
Our aim is to have the lowest cost parameters, highest quality levels, most versatile product range, and the most flexible customer service.
Our widest range of power busbar products are dominant in various field applications such as power generating stations, process and manufacturing industries, commercial and residential buildings, airports, metros, data centers, refineries, hotels, and hospitals, among others. Our large array of products include sandwich bus trunking, compact air bus trunking, lighting trunking, track busway, isolated phase bus duct, segregated phase bus duct, non-segregated phase bus duct. Our world-class R&D and engineering facility is home to a highly experienced and skilled team. With a unique customer-centric approach, C&S has been able to provide comprehensive solutions, emerging as a global reliable solution partner.
C&S Electric manufacturing facilities in Uttarakhand are state-of-the-art and are possibly one of the largest busbar manufacturing facilities in a single location to be found anywhere.
Joints and flexibles, which are customized as per customer requirements and site conditions. C&S has pioneered the power generation segment by supplying 500 plus sets of isolated phase bus duct with generating capacity of 150 gigawatt, ranging from 50 megawatt to 800 megawatt plants. Our in-house labs are accredited by NABL with facilities for temperature rise testing up to 30,000 ampere, impulse voltage testing up to 200 kilovolts.
Today, as a global player, we strive to uphold the competence and excellence level by giving equal importance to all the stakeholders such as our diverse work team, partners, clients and the society.
The manufacturing facilities at C&S comply with ISO standards. All of our products are designed in compliance with all major international standards and type tested by third parties. C&S Power Busbar division, with combination of supreme range, with vast experience in R&D, engineering, state-of-the-art manufacturing plants, in-house testing facilities and strong project management, is aimed to provide one-stop solution to esteemed customers. C&S has reached every corner of the globe, with its power bus bars being exported to more than 85 countries worldwide. We at C&S Electric take pride in touching lives of people every day.